Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials done fast. Back up your data, charge the tablet to at least 50%, and install Samsung USB drivers on the computer. Once done, download the exact GT-P1000 firmware package and Odin tool. Mismatched files cause failures. Make sure you enable developer options and USB debugging on the tablet. Then power it off and boot into download mode by holding the correct keys. Connect the tablet to the PC. Confirm Odin detects the device before proceeding. You now flash with care. Open Odin and confirm the device appears in the ID, COM field. That verifies the link. Load the firmware into the PDA or AP slot only because using PIT or repartition when unnecessary will wipe partitions incorrectly. If you want to run a manual recovery wipe after flashing, uncheck Auto Reboot, otherwise leave it checked. Press Start and watch Odin. The progress bar shows transfer and flash stages. If errors appear, stop and review logs before retrying. You finish by letting the tablet complete its first boot. This can take several minutes while Android optimizes apps, so be patient. Once booted, verify settings, restore your backup, and reinstall apps. If the device gets stuck in a boot loop, boot into recovery mode and perform a cache and Dalvik/Art cache wipe. That often fixes boot hangs. If that fails, re-download the correct GT-P1000 stock firmware and re-flash via Odin. This is the key troubleshooting step to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.